Today we're trying Subway. Today we're trying Subway. I got some blue salt and vinegar Lay's chips to go with it. And I also got some Fritos, cheddar, jalapeno cheese. Yeah, if that makes sense. And I have a Diet Coke to drink, but you can't see the drink because I'm using it to prop my phone up. But I'll show you the drink at the end. Okay, let's get into it. Subway. So I got the meal of the day. This is the spicy Italian, and I got a foot long. So the meal of the day, you can get a 6-inch for $4.99, or you can get a foot long for $3 more. So it comes up. My total came out to $8.99, basically $9. So you're basically paying $9 for a foot long. 12 inches. So this sandwich is the spicy Italian. It has pepperoni and I think ham on it. And then it comes with, so I got it on the cheese bread. And I got like a whole bunch of toppings. Like I got banana peppers, spinach, I got jalapenos, I got black olives, I got mayo. I think I got like some cheese sauce. And I think I got some, I think I put like some oil, vinegar, salt, pepper. I got some red onion on there. I got some, what else did I put on there? Pepper jack cheese, toasted. Yeah, I literally got a little bit of everything. So it's really good. And look, y'all see that? Don't that look good? Y'all see that? All right, let's take a bite. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Let's try it with the jalapeno cheddar. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, dunk. Ooh, ooh, it's getting messy, y'all. Y'all see that?